Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Winneconne Middle School in Winneconne, Wisconsin, home of the Wolves. Just got to share my heart in the high school auditorium attached adjacent to this building for grades 6 and 7, a part of the junior high, but we also had some of the elementary students come over, students and staff from grades 4 and 5. And it was just a beautiful afternoon, getting to talk about the main focus, which was bullying. The sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? We know our heart's as big as our fist, and if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love, hopefully with kindness, right? And you know, we always have a conscious decision to make each and every day, if we're gonna uplift, if we're gonna tear down. And we know that in just 2 seconds, right, we have that ability to maybe leave a mark on someone's heart forever. And the students really did take that to heart. There were a lot of pin drop moments throughout the presentation where, you know, from the heartfelt stories, the positive hip hop, the inspirational videos, the physical visual aid props, it really did hit them at the heart level. You know, some came up to me after and just shared their heart with me about a bullying situation that they've, you know, were sometimes the bystander or sometimes the upstander, you know, someone that actually had the courage to really help someone out that maybe had a small voice or no voice. And that's, you know, the opportunity that we share each and every day, that we look for moments where we can hopefully help our fellow human beings, right? To make this world, not just this school, a better place. And this ties into knowing that, you know, whatever we've been through, will go through, have gone through, the biggest reason why bullying happens that I see is that hurt people, right? But we always have this opportunity as well to turn that into heal people who heal people, right? And then once we are shown that kindness, you know, once our hearts are healed, we can go and show that to someone else, right? And it's such an amazing thing for me to witness when, you know, these students at a young age are already getting the wheels turning, that yes, they have the power to make a huge impact, right, on the people around them. And this starts with self-belief and self-love, right? We have to have that love for ourselves before we can give it to someone else and show it towards someone else. But that also ties into the concept that I bring up in every program that I do, because it's so important to me, and that's that we're all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, and it says it on the front of my shirt. But this M, we have at least one in each hand. Sometimes the faint line connects. That M stands for miracle, upside down. W is for worthy, also Winneconne Wolves. But we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that concept, once we believe it, you know, now we can go out into this world and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And it just kind of keeps going and going and going. It's like this ripple effect of compassion and understanding and empathy. And I think they really did see that, you know, like the benefit of us, you know, being the change, leading the change, and then eventually living the change, right? To be those best friends to the people around us, to see them for this before anything else, and just continue to really, pick up the people that are like in their, not just inner circle, but those around them, you know, because sometimes our closed hearts shield us from meeting amazing friends. And that's this chance that each of us have, where we can hopefully, you know, start to work together to, you know, feel together. And, you know, if we do feel alone, if we are hurting, you know, that we can open up and we become more of this family type of environment, right? Like this safe community where bullying doesn't exist because we look at someone, you know, for this before anything else. So again, it was a beautiful afternoon. Thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.